Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. Hello everyone and welcome. We hope that you all are safe at your place. Today, I, Simranpreet, French educator Dasan Mount World School, will teach you how to pronounce the numbers in French. Numbers from 1 to 20. Numbers from 1 to 20. So let's start. First case, how to pronounce the numbers in French. Les nombres. Les nombres. Les nombres. The numbers. Les nombres. Now I'll start first from 0 to 10. Then you all will repeat after me. Now 0. 0. 0. The. Trois. Quatre. Cinq. Six. Sept. See, in this case, P is silent. This is not sept. This is sept. Huit. Neuf. Dix. Répétez. Répétez means repeat. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Très bien. Now we will do from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now see, the numbers from 11 to 16. They all are ending with Z, E. Z, E, Z, E, Z. See, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Très bien. Now the easiest numbers. 17 to 19. See, this 10. 10 plus 7 is 7. 10 plus 7, 17. This set. In the same way, 18. This week, 10 plus 8, 18. In the same way, 19. This 9. Très bien. And 20 is 1. Répétez. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Très bien. And you all will revise it at your home. Now after doing the counting, in maths also we do calculations. In the same way we will do the calculations in French also. I have written an exercise for you. Calculate. Calculate. See, in English you all will say 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Now how do we say 12 in French? 12 in French is 12. So what you will write? 12. Clear? Plus is plus. Okay? Next is 3. Through 3, what we will pronounce? Trois. 3 in French is trois. Equals to aigle. 15. 15 is 15. 15 is 15. So how do we say this equation in French? 12 plus 3 égale 15. 12 plus 3 égale 15. Next, 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10. Now how do we say the same in French? 2 in French is deux. Deux. Multiply in French is fois. 5 is 5. Equals to, I have earlier told you, aigle, and 10 is this. So repeat the same sentence in French. 2 fois 5 égale this. 2 fois 5 égale this. Next, in English, 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. Now 6. 6 in French is 6. minus in French is moi, 4 in French is quatre, equals to aigle, 2 in French is deux. Again, repeat the same sentence in French. 6 moins 4 égale 2. 6 moins 4 égale 2. So, in this way, you can learn all the numbers from 1 to 20 at your home. Write your equations and start pronouncing the same in French. I hope you all will do this at your home. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Au revoir, à bientôt.